So this guy completely changed it. He said that, hey, listen, if you are going to attack us, I'm going to give it back to you. So every time that war sort of a thing is looming large, the popularity of Narendra Bhai Chandra becomes even higher, be it Balakot or be it Galwan or the face of with China. Every time that thing happens, people or his rating actually goes even higher. Hello and namaste, and thank you so much for visiting my channel. My name is Karthik Gaur, and please do subscribe and click the bell icon to ensure that whenever we upload a webinar or a video, you are the first ones to know. Thank you so much. Simultaneously, let us look at Narendra Bhai Modi. Okay, he's Tula Lagna. Here again, his seventh lord, Mangal, is in the second house. Seventh lord in the second house is called as Simhasana Yoga. Okay, which is with debilitated moon, and to a large extent, it is causing a Neecha Bhanga, for the Chandra, also debilitated Chandra. So Mars to that level as seventh lord is causing the huge sort of a thing. Now let's look at his Dharakaraka. Where is his Dharakaraka? Dharakaraka is Surya in Maranakaraka in the 12th house. So we can say that when it comes to his relationship, he feels like he's in Maranakaraka Sthana. Dharakaraka, when it comes to money matters, or shall we say when it comes to wife or relationship. So when he was married very early, against his wishes, he was not at all happy. What did he do? He ran away he left his home and ran to the Thakur Ramakrishna mission. And he wanted to stay over Ramakrishna mission. And then his guru over there, he told that, hey, what are you talking about, Narendra? You are supposed to go back and work in the society. See, somewhere the great mathas, that the power of meditation is so high that they don't need the Jyotish knowledge, or probably they know the Jyotish knowledge, I'm not sure. But with the power of meditation is so high that they look at somebody and say that, okay, give him a diksha, let him become a monk or a sannyasi. And some of them, they look and they say that, hey, there are a lot of karmas that you need to do, work for the society, you are supposed to do some big things for India. So twice I think he went and he requested that, hey, listen, my mindset is very different. I can't stay in the samsara, and both of the times he was told to go back. Now, whenever the Dharakaraka is there, see, all the Charakarakas are something which is coming to your soul level. That means at a soul level, he is rejecting the Dharakaraka. So at a soul level, it is very tough for somebody to be bribing him. Why? Because his Dharakaraka is in the 12th house. The person says that, hey, money is not something that is going to motivate me. You can't use women also. See, when people are younger, they say that, what do you say, as honey trapping, right? And lot of big politicians are honey trapped. This is a legitimate way to sort of bring in other people and control them. Now somebody like him with his Dharakaraka and money, so it is very tough to honey trap or money trap him. You understand? His Lagna Lord is Tula. His Lagna Lord is Tula. And that Lagna Lord is going into the 11th house, and we need to understand the dispositor of that house is in Maranakaraka Sthana. Okay? So Shukra again is with Shani. So there is a little bit of sorrow associated with it. But any other malefic planets aspecting it, we have a little bit of drishti for Mangal and Chandra, but those are pada drishtis. I'll teach you another time. But there is Jupiter's aspect. Jupiter is retrograde and Jupiter is having a drishti on them. Okay, so here we see that Jupiter has the only one which has the Purna drishti. Okay, and Mangal and others have this other drishtis, which is Tupada drishti, Tripada drishtis, and all those things. But nonetheless, the chart is completely different from what Trump is all about. You know, here when it comes to his 12th house, there is the major thing is all about Mercury, which is all about learning, which is all about being a student. You know, we are very, very, you know, which is all about his ninth lord also. See, it's all about his guru, it's all about ninth lord in the 12th house. So as a PM, one of his biggest objective will be his ninth house, you know, which is all about either building the temple, be it Ram temple or you know, temples in non-Hindu countries for that matter. You know, one of nobody could have dreamt maybe 10 years, 20 years back that even Abu Dhabi will have a beautiful Akshardham temple which is being built, right? Especially Surya and Ketu is a temple yoga, you know. So this particular thing is there, then, you know, bringing the foreign sort of, what do you say, as your foreign affairs. So those part are something which will be, because especially it is in the 12th house. So his prime objective would be, when it comes to power, to do something about the foreign affairs, to do something about India's image in foreign, and that is what the focus will be. But when it comes to marriage, you know, see, when Shukra is with Saturn, in one way you have to say that, you know, person will see a lot of sorrow. Okay, be it with Trump also. Imagine, you know, when all those, you know, female were very happy, you know, making so much money from Trump, and suddenly, you know, when Trump was about to be being made the president, you know, all those girls started talking bad about him. All those females started, in a way, started blackmailing him for more money. You understand? So when things were good, you know, they were making a lot of money. Venus. When things became a little, he became older, you know, they started sort of sleazing money out of him, and the whole experience became very, very sad experience, or it was very sorrowful. So for him, typically, it was all about, you know, the relationship with the world affairs, you know, but when it came to his home relationship, you know, it was always about Maranakaraka. Hence he was always running away from him. So even if he was married, which he is technically, you know, on paper, you know, the person will always feel, you know, like rejecting, like I can't be in that relationship, you know, my objective is much higher, or my country is my family, or you know, that second house sort of a thing. Why? When seventh lord is in the second house of family, that means the person is supposed to have a huge family, because second house is the house of, you know, growing, right? Second house is all about that Vasudeva Kutumbakam, your family. So in seventh lord, it's very strong, and Mangal is in its own house, Scorpio. Then technically, you know, that seventh house, or that business partner, or that family is constantly growing. And it could be at a national level, it could be at an international level. The same thing where we see in his Navamsha, we have Mangal in Maranakaraka, a Brahmachari, again a Maranakaraka planet in the seventh house. So the seventh lord of the Rashi, when it comes to his Bhagya, luck, is in Maranakaraka. So he's like, you know, running away that, hey, please don't get me married, man. You know, I'm not, I can't maintain, I'm a workaholic, you know, I can't, you know, accept my life, you know, where a woman calls me and says that, what time are you coming home? You know, what should I make for food? You know, this is not my life. I don't know. My objective of life is much bigger. But imagine if he was married, and he was married, immediately he ran away, brahmacharya. Hey, I can't understand this whole bedroom life and all those things, and, you know, the seventh house, Maranakaraka. Venus further is in the eighth house. Okay, so this is with Rahu again, and it's crazy. So here we see that there is definitely a problem which is there when it comes to his marriage, relationship, so on and so forth. But look at it now from a political side. His seventh lord is love and war, right? Seventh lord Mangal. Now Mangal doesn't understand love, but Mangal understands war. Oh, that's my domain. Let's go for it. So the seventh lord Mangal is in the second house of growth, and that is a Simhasana yoga. Seventh lord in the second, it is Super Raj Yoga, and it is coming from whom? It is given by Chandra. People, who are feeling very debilitated. So people before were feeling that, what is our government? Why do we never respond? Why do we never talk? Why are we having such a big army? We never retaliate. We never do such things. Enough of being a good guy. So this guy completely changed it. He said that, hey, listen, if you are going to attack us, I'm going to give it back to you. So every time that war sort of a thing is looming large, the popularity of Narendra Bhai, Chandra, becomes even higher. Be it Balakot or be it Galwan or the face of with China, every time that thing happens, people or his rating actually goes even higher. Where the whole of India says that, hey, finally we have a PM who is going to stand up, against those things. And the other people are scared of him. It's Mangal. So as long as this Mangal and Chandra Dashas were there, I always kept saying that, hey, Narendra Bhai is going to win. And he's always going to win by majority. And this was one of my prediction I had given way back in 2012. It was before he was even nominated as a prime ministerial candidate. And I told that time that he will be a 3-time PM. So he has completed 2 terms. He will win the 3rd term as well. So anybody who felt that Modi was going, unfortunately, is not going. Yeah. So, but when it comes to, so we have to bifurcate both the things. Yeah. So one is, and can it be a simpleton? Surya in the 12th house, they say a person loses his father very early. Did he lose his father early? The answer is yes. Right? And we all know that it is in the 12th house in Marana Karaka. Okay. So those things are very, very important. Namaste Jyotisha lovers. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Please do share so more and more thirsty souls can benefit from this free knowledge which is being shared. Also do subscribe, click the bell icon, and all the questions that you have, please mention in the comment section below. Thank you so much, and please keep supporting us.